The shortest way to reach the city of Kristiansand in Norway is the ferry from Hirtshals. Even though we were in the open sea and the wind was blowing quite strong, we spent most of the time in the outdoor deck. And here we are. After 4 hours we are entering in Kristiansand Bay. The sea crossing was smooth.
Give me a high
And
five.
we can officially say, we are in Norway! On our way to Lindesnes Lighthouse, we came across with many typical fishing villages. We were really excited. The weather was perfect. The water not too cold, and we took a lot of photos on our way. This coastal lighthouse is located at the southernmost tip of Norway. The wind was blowing too strong, but the sunlight was beautiful. After the sunset, we found a quiet spot to spend our first night. We are lucky. The weather is on our side, and we are ready to reach our next destination. Casually, we ended up in Gamle Stavanger, which is the old town and cuter area of the city. The harbor area is full of places to drink and eat. This was the best time to enjoy a cold beer and looking around how the life is in this part of Norway. In Norway, it often happens that you have to drive through very long tunnels, underwater or dug into the mountain. After the last ferry, we parked at the small harbor. You can find many incredible free spots where to spend the night. The only rule is to park more than 150 meters from the houses. We always enjoyed to prepare simple but tasty food in our van. We decided to be gas-free and use a conduction cooker powered by the solar panels. And in the last days the sun was following us. Tomorrow we will follow this road. But tonight we are enjoying this sunset.